Hey everybody, welcome to the T Logan. What is today's message? I'm glad you asked. It's called "In Everything Give Thanks." So a few weeks ago or last week, I was just so worried or concerned about this frost coming. Well, guess what? The frost came today. But you know what? Even though it came, I'm still excited. I'm excited. Why? Because I prepared for this. I knew that, you know what, I'm not going to always get the tomatoes that I want, the eggplants, the things that, the frost kills. But you know what? I prepared. And that's what happens when you prepare yourself. What I did last week was I came out, I harvested all the cayenne that I needed, even if it was green. And the other thing that I did was I just sat the cayenne that was green in the window, and guess what? It's turning red. And although my tomatoes kind of died, the frost has come. It doesn't seem like it killed the plant totally, but I'm still grateful. So you see here, right? The frost came. My tomato plant doesn't really look as dead, thankfully. But guess what died? My basil plant. But even though it's dead, I still see the green. You see that? So it didn't all the way kill my plant. But it killed this tomato plant, right? But guess what? I'm still excited. Because you know why? And everything give thanks. And guess what? Even though it came through, it really didn't even kill my cayenne, really. But guess what? It kind of took my eggplant, right? But it's still eggplant that's on here that looks fabulous. But then it kind of killed this basil plant. And it killed this basil plant. But guess what the frost didn't kill? It did not kill my joy. Amen. So check it out. I just wanted to tell you that even though the frost comes and these things happen in our garden and our lessons from our garden, we're still going to count it all joy. We're still going to be happy because guess what? Even though it came and hit the tomato plant, I was still able to harvest my tomatoes. Look at those tomatoes in there. Isn't that great? It's just great because everything didn't die. Then I wanted to tell you, fast forward, I showed you guys I wanted to give you an update on my mustard greens and my lettuce, my salad bowl that we just threw the seeds out. I wanted you to see how good this is doing. And I also wanted you to see my collards from the nitrogen, which is the coffee grounds that we inserted in the soil and mixed around to make them grow a little bit healthier. All right, so this is my romaine lettuce here, my salad bowl. Isn't that exciting? The bok choy is still doing pretty good. Here's the mustards. Great. So I just wanted to wait to get them to get a little bit bigger before I started harvesting. But look at this. It did really good. It did really good. Here we go. So I just wanted to show you that. Lastly, I wanted to show you the collards. They're doing really good. So I wanted to see exactly how big it would get because of the coffee grounds. And you can see the coffee grounds right here, but it's all mingled and mixed in, and it's just going into the soil. So I'm not trying to pick those until next week. But anyways, check it out. I just wanted to see how big it was going to get. I'm doing an experiment for myself to see exactly how big these Georgia collards will get with the nitrogen that I added to it. Well, everybody, I hope you learned a good lesson from this. I hope you guys have a good day today, and I hope this helps.